Hello, 9th Delhi Shorts International Film Festival. I am Shomartha Mullik, director of FELTs. Thank you for selecting my film and thank you for giving me an opportunity.
Hi, 9th Delhi International Shorts Film Festival. This is Srijit Das here, and I am thankful to this festival for selecting our film FELTs, in which I am the lone actor.
The idea of a film came to my mind while I was watching a film in Netflix, and I just wanted to make a horror film, a little bit experimental one, in lockdown.
Actually, the drive behind making this movie was to make something experimental and explore the horror genre, and being the lone actor, and as our crew was so small, and so the cinematography and screenplay has been modified a bit by me, and I also played the part of the DOP here. So it was a little bit challenging while doing the night shots, because at the night time, while making a low budget film, it becomes an issue with the light and obviously the flicker which comes into the camera. So while shooting the film, we faced a little nuances, we faced a little issues with the camera, as because the low ISO powers flickers a little in this kind of films, because it's made in very less budget. So that was the drive behind it, and we faced these kind of difficulties while making the film.
The first challenge was how we are going to shoot it because we were all in a lockdown situation and we can't go out from our house, and it was just either drop the idea or postponed it. But we took the challenge. We shot the film from our own houses.
So as this was a very low budget film, we tried to curtail out the finances by reducing the crew. That is one of the advantages, and it's a kind of a disadvantage too, because it's a bit difficult to monitor the whole thing all alone and proceeding on. So at the editing table, we also faced some difficulties for the lessen upping of the crews. So yeah, we faced challenges, we have overcome it also, and now the film is in the front of you.
The visual came to my mind while I was working on the story and the script. Before that, I didn't have anything. Yes, we have changed a little bit because we faced limitations while going through the scenes which were earlier written in the screenplay. So we changed it and we try to do as simple as we can.
The USP of the film is always have been the horror genre, to explore the horror genre like no one did before, because a micro and a horror genre film is really rare. And I'm not saying that it's not been made, but it's very rare, and I'm not saying this because I have been a part of this film. If anybody researches it, they will see that horror genre microfilm is so less that it's very difficult to find out. So yeah, this is only the USP of the film, and that is how it carries on. So the target audience of the film is it's generally for a little bit of mature audience, because as it is a microfilm and a lot of things has been said in just a minute, so mature audience is required for this to understand the film properly, because the shots are there has been jump cuts and very less match cuts. So people have to use their brains real hard to understand the genre of microfilms. And also this is a horror genre, I am repeating myself, I know, but as is a horror genre microfilm, the target audience is a very specific one, as they have to understand it thoroughly. And while I was going through the script, it was a bit difficult for me to understand the thing, and I spent a lot of hours just by reading it and trying to execute that thing. I wish that 9th International Shorts Delhi Film Festival should be a blasting one, because in this pandemic situation we know that we are not physically present there, but yeah, mentally we are. All the filmmakers, I am sure, are supporting this film festival. It's a really big one, and the emerging filmmakers always wait for this kind of film festivals to be held in our country. It's a big platform to show our talent. So I hope all the best for this film festival, and thank you for selecting our film.
I will request all my audience to watch this film. This film is unique in its own way. Please watch this film. If you like it, if you enjoy it, please support me. To all the emerging filmmakers out there, work hard, study hard, read as many as books you can, watch as many as films you can, and most importantly, observe. Thank you.